Today we will show how to buy shares of Old Republic International Corp, ticker ORI, a diversified insurance company operating in property and casualty and title insurance. Old Republic trades on NASDAQ under the ticker ORI, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker ORI to find Old Republic International Corp. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the official stock page. On the stock page, check the company summary, recent news, and the price chart to confirm the listing. Ensure the name, exchange, and ticker ORI match the company you intend to buy. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review order details such as order type and fees, then confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled as a pending market order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio among your current holdings. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform further.